So this is my introduction to anthropology. My name is Katrina Smith. So a little bit about me. I was born and raised in Fairbanks here, and I am currently living with my best friend and 3 other people, so it's a full house, as we like to say. I graduated in high school in 2014 from West Valley, and then went right into UAF, so this is my 3rd-ish year. I'm a junior now. I started out as a business major, and then decided I wanted to be an elementary ed major. And after last semester, I decided I wanted to go into special education, so that's my long-term plan. For hobbies, I really like art, and specifically painting. I took a lot of art classes in high school, and camping, fishing, hunting, like typical Alaska outside stuff. I also really like to bake and cook. Should anthropology play a role in the native cultures of Alaska? I think yes. Anthropology, the definition of it is the study of human society and their development, so it kind of seems to me that it flows right into the native cultures and preserving those cultures. And without anthropologists to, I guess you could say, tell us about the native culture, then we wouldn't know about the past. And growing up in Alaska, I've heard a lot and learned about how the native cultures have kind of been fading out over the past few years, and they've worked really hard to preserve their traditions and stories and whatnot. A bit in the Clifford article that I really enjoyed was on page 9, that's kind of talking about looking both ways, and specifically the Kodiak Area Native Association, how they kind of establish relationships with researchers and archaeology folks to kind of dig up that area and show the people that live there about their past. I thought that was really interesting. So that's it.